This is Paul Brian Tovey. It's February the 17th, 2025. I'm the lead at Adoptee Watch and I've been working with Taken UK. And this is a recap regarding 4 pieces of work which we delivered to the Labour government and Janet Davey, the Minister. And what we've got so far is promises of far more early help for birth families rather than just taking kids and banging them into adoption or care-ordered care. We're going to keep a watching brief on that, obviously. There is another issue coming up, which is a public inquiry group which we're setting up with help from a journalist and other people. And we want to look at revocation of adoptions by mainly adult adoptees who want to have the human right back to take the court-appointed adoption identity off them and to self-identify once again as their birth kin natural identity. Currently, we're not allowed to do that in law in the UK. We want that changed.